Oh, I've got it everywhere already. Oh, that's actually come out quite good. I'm surprised. Oh, that one didn't go so well. Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. In Home Bargains the other day, I found a load of these that I'd never seen before. It was $1.99. Pati School. Seems to be from Japan. I was just curious by it. So I thought, well, let's have a look. Because this is clearly meant to be an ice cream. So it's got like a bit of a waffle cone, even though it's purple. They seem to be bag clips. I don't know what this is. But it says do not eat. Just in case, we're confused. Let's open it and see exactly what it is. I'm guessing it takes 2 to 3 days to dry. Let's find out. I found the box most interesting as well, simply because, well, here in the UK, it would go on that way. You'd have your hooky bit right at the back and then your box would be protruding forward. But this seems to go that way. Let's have a look. You get quite a bit in here from what it says at the bottom. So we have this stuff. In a piping bag. We have this stuff. We have this stuff. Right, let's have a look at our piping bag first. It's well squidgy. And I guess... oh, there's a little protective cap, lovely. We'll have a look at whatever this is. I still don't know what this is. Is it just meant to be like some sort of cake thing? A little chocolate flan of some such. We have this thing. Okay. That's a little piping nozzle. So I'm guessing that goes on the end there. We have some little tiny decorations, little tiny beads. I won't open them just yet in case I lose them. We have our bag clips, which I think we'll work out when it comes, in case I can't undo them again. We'll work out when we get to that bit how we use them. We have our little waffle cone. I don't know what this is. Is that just a hair clip? I don't know what that is. It looks like a hair clip to me. It's probably not. Right. This is probably your warning sheet. Like, don't eat, do this, don't do that. Okay, that is to, when you push all that down, you stick the clip on there, so it's all like squished to the bottom. And it's showing you how to pipe those ones and those ones. Don't touch for 2 to 3 days. Wash your hands, wash your bits. How to put your bag clip together. Alright, so with that one we want to do this, where it's push it forwards, pull it back. And the swirly one, we should be able to do a swirly, shouldn't we? Right, we will try and do swirly first then. So I guess let's try and push this all the way down. And put our bag clip in place. Let's swap our nozzles. Hopefully this won't all ooze out now that I've pushed it to the bottom. And I have some on my thumb. Oh, I've got it everywhere already. Right, let's pop that on. Oh, that doesn't go tight. That just goes on just enough. That feels like glue. I will wash my hands after this. Okay, let's try. Do our ice cream first. Oh, that's actually come out. Oh, there we go. Quite good. I'm surprised. Now this one. So forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, backwards. I'll bring it up here, so forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, backwards, forwards, backwards, and I guess a row down the middle. Oh, that one didn't go so well. Put some decorations on, put these aside and forget about them for 3 days. I will go for trying to decorate how they have. So let's just push you in. Nice shiny blue one. Little shiny white one. And then these ones are just sort of like dotted on here. And so star, blue, and pink. Pale pink, purple-ish, and darker pink. I really like the ice cream. I wasn't expecting to like that. And this thing, whatever this thing is, I like this too. I'm going to find somewhere to put them and think about what we can have an experiment with the rest of this stuff. Well, I have a little tiny glass jar here. I'm wondering if I can decorate it. Let's find out. I think I should try and squish this all down. Should we see if we can get one going all the way around? I don't know if I'm going to be able to. I don't have a line to follow, so I'm not. Well, I say a line, I don't have a groove to follow. Up there was easy because it sat in the groove. Oh, we've splodged out. Let's try. Oh, I've touched it somewhere because I feel a wet bit on my finger. Oh, and I've made a. I hope I haven't ruined my top bit by touching it. Oh, I think I've got away with it. Is that too close to the bottom now? No, we're okay. We got away with that. I'll see if I can put a couple of little ice gem shapes. Maybe I'll use this all up. So I don't know what else I'm going to use it for. I guess we can also see if this is going to stick to glass or not. I'm going to have to get rid of the clip at this point so I can get that last little bit out. Oh, that one's... Shall we take that one off and start again? That's all I'm getting out of that. I'm going to clean up. We're going to forget about this for the next 2 to 3 days. And we'll see what beauties and not so beauties we're left with. And I'll wash my hands. I do think this is glue based. 3 days later, and we are dry. We have also shrunk somewhat because we have the gaps. So we don't any longer quite look like the picture, but we have kept all the swirls, which is rather nice. I think that's there. Just about to see it. So let's get the clips on. Oh, there we go. Okay. Easy enough to clip on. Got a bit of weight to them. So first things first, this is what we're meant to have. This is what we have. I think these were I'll start again. I think these pictures were taken when they were still wet, because they look wet, and that is full how this was. But still, it's shriveled up. It's got a little squish to it, but it's dry. I'm still unsure of what it is, because it's got some sort of PVA base to it. And this thing, that's what theirs looks like. That's what ours looks like. I did it, but like a mirror image almost. Again, it's, mind you, theirs doesn't look as full. Theirs is going to shrivel up even more than mine did, because I had mine go right up to the edges, because you can see where it's still like took to the edges. That's not bad. And as for the experiment, well, it's stuck to the glass. It doesn't... Oh! There we go. So it will eventually come off the glass. I guess that's why that had ridges. I don't remember the cone having much ridges. But we can always just push it back on there. So that was just using it up. Yeah, it's definitely got to be PVA based, because it's just... Well, I can use my glass again. I don't know if I'll get that out, because that's in a ridge. I guess I could turn that into a bracelet though. Will it stick to itself? Yeah. Well, that's actually... You can make a bracelet out of this. So, what do I think? You know what, it's not bad. It works. For the price it was. It's an interesting toy. It's a little bit sticky. I think if you get this in the carpet, it probably won't come out. But yeah, it works. These are decent quality. I'd put it on even thicker than you think you need to. I think if I did, because what we got 3 whips there. I think if I did 4, that would account for the shrinkage and you wouldn't have the purple on show. And as for this, it'd probably have to be quite overflowing. So by the time it shrinks down, you won't have any of those gaps. But yeah, quite nice. Let me know what you think. Has anyone tried this before? Has anyone actually seen this before? I hadn't. I might get... There are some other kits. I might get some of the others to try again, see if we can get it done without any... and account for the shrinkage now that we know there's going to be some. We'll see. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's given you an idea of what to expect should you get one of these to try yourself. Like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more. Thank you all again so much. Take care, and see you in the next one.